cream. When should I?
By the way,
Not yet.
match.
We're
anything?
recording now.
Well, last time we just tipped it.
That's
They-
but we didn't have a
I had a
diffuser.
candle. If you
We didn't have a
It
diffuser.
dribbles
Wax.
wax.
Quack.
Yeah.
But none of us died, so I think it's okay.
That's probably
Wax.
All right. What? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, I guess.
All right, then let me.
What? Yeah, I guess.
I'm ready. I guess.
Say how to do.
It's a boom.
Tell me that.
Yeah, let's get that away from it.
Yeah. Mom. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
All right, is
here it
everybody
goes.
ready?
All right. Okay, got it stirred up.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, here comes the column of fire. Not igniting.
Whoa!
Woo!
Quite warm.
I think you have to turn that light out.
It's gonna burn your
Put light
hand.
out.
This
It's
light.
quite warm.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm sorry. Ella. Wow. Okay.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Alcohol!
Okay.
Don't stir.
Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
Wow.
He needs longer. He needs a spatula.
Yeah.
I didn't have a spatula.
I need a spatula.
Here.
Jimmy, you're gonna light yourself on
Yes,
fire.
I am.
Keep stirring. Oh, I ran out.
Woo! Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah,
try.
you can light it again.
Yeah, you should be able to light again.
Alright.
Maybe.
Bigger spatula.
Yeah, that's what he's got.
Alright, never mind.
Woo!
Now I don't have to pull the spoon out and light myself on fire.
I'd say that's pretty sweet looking.
Yeah.
Very fun.
Alright. Well, you didn't catch the dog on fire, you didn't catch yourself on fire.
Alright,
There
that's
it is.
excellent.
So, tasty, tasty.
Woo.
There we go.
Nice.
What did we do different last time?